Hello friends, today we are going to discuss knowledge engineering in artificial intelligence. So, what is artificial intelligence and what are the different AI problems and the AI techniques? What are the different heuristic searching techniques and then problem search and what are the different technique which is to be useful for state space problem, heuristic searching, non heuristic searching technique, advantage, disadvantage. These are the things which we are already discussed in a unit first. So today we are going to start another next unit, that is unit second, knowledge engineering in a AI. So what is knowledge? Knowledge, it is a database. In artificial intelligence generally we use this term knowledge, which is to be useful by robot or a machine. Okay, so what is knowledge engineering? In general term, we say that knowledge engineering, it is the process of acquiring the knowledge, process it and gives the more meaningful statement or knowledge or database to the end user. Okay, so what is the meaning of this statement? Knowledge engineering, it is the process of acquiring the knowledge, retrieval of the knowledge, process it and gives meaningful statement, meaningful result from that database or knowledge. Now, this thing which is to be processed by different logics, algorithms or different methods, these things we will discuss in a upcoming videos or upcoming lecture. So how this particular knowledge which is to be represented? So knowledge, it is a database. Now what kind of and what is database? Database, it is a actual available fact that can have actual available fact that can have implicit meaning and that should be recorded. So this is the database. Now what is knowledge engineering? It is a process of eliciting, structurizing, formalizing and operationalizing the knowledge or database called as knowledge engineering. Information and knowledge which is to be involved in a knowledge intensive problem which is to be domain, in order to construct a program which can perform a difficult task adequately. So these are the things which is related to the artificial intelligence. Now next, what are the problems which are occur in knowledge engineering? Complex information and knowledge is difficult to observe. Experts and other sources are differ for different domains. Multiple representation, that is textbooks, graphical representation, heuristic skill. So according to the different database, the different representation techniques which is to be vary. So these are a few problems in a knowledge engineering. What are the importance of proper knowledge engineering? Knowledge is valuable and often outlives a particular implementation. So yes, if you wanted to describe a particular database or knowledge, we have some data sets as a requirement or in a particular foundation. So if you wanted to describe a database or if you wanted to retrieve a particular data or display the particular data of a market analysis survey, so that for regarding mobiles. Okay, for market analysis survey, what we require over here, we require the how many mobile which is to be sale by from the month uh, June to upcoming, what we can say, the September. So June, July, August, September, in this between 4 year 4 months, how many sale which is to be done by the our system. Okay, so we require proper foundation or proper data set, and from that data set we are going to retrieve a particular information of that these 4 months only. So in this way the knowledge engineering or database engineering has particular impact. Okay, errors in a knowledge base can cause serious problem. Okay, if database is what we can say, that database is not in a proper manner, not database is not in a normalized form, so yes, exactly, problem which is to be occur. Yes. and this demand heavy demands on extensibility and maintenance, and this requirement can be changed over time. Okay, this is for the knowledge engineering. Thank you.